In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight your active columns here in Google Sheets with the help of AppScript and ChatGPT. So if you're not familiar with ChatGPT, this is an AI tool that's quite useful in generating a lot of different things. And in this case, we needed to generate a script that we are going to use with our Google AppScript. And it's going to be the same process as we did with our previous video on how to highlight our active rows. But of course, this time we are highlighting our active columns. And to do that, we are going to start off with our ChatGPT. I have mine open right now, and what I'm going to do is to just create that prompt that we are going to tell this AI tool to generate for us. There we go, quite simple, very straightforward, and of course, ChatGPT already understands what you mean. It will generate those code or that JavaScript, and all you have to do is follow the instructions. We have there how it works, how to do it. We have open your Google Sheet, go to your extensions, open AppScript, paste the code above, save it, and that's it. We don't have to run it or anything. We just have to save it, then go back to our sheet and refresh that page. So let's go ahead and do that. We have our code right here. Let's go ahead and copy that. Go back to our spreadsheet. Here we have it. Go to the extensions here in the menu bar and select AppScript. So that AppScript will open in a new tab. Once it has loaded, we are just going to delete whatever is on that page. There we go. So I'm going to select everything and delete. Then I'm just going to paste that code. There you go. And click on save. So that's the only thing that we're going to do for this one. Of course, you can always rename it in any way you want, but I'm good for now. So once we've saved it, again, we can just go back to our spreadsheet. And just to make sure it reads that code, we're just going to refresh. And now if I try and select a column right here, it highlights that column right away. There you have it. Now, if I try and select another column, there we go. So our active column would be the column where that cell belongs to that you are currently selecting. So if I select this column right here, again, it will highlight that entire column, which definitely makes it easier for you to read or keep track with your data. Now, if you're not a fan of the color, you can always go back to ChatGPT right here. Let's say we want to change the color. Then it will generate what you requested, and now we have a new code with a new color right here. So let's just copy that. Again, go back to your spreadsheet, select extensions, open AppScript. Same thing, we're going to delete everything, paste the new code, and save. Once that's saved, we can go back to our spreadsheet, refresh that page. Now if we try and select another column right here, it will highlight that column with a color of your choice. And there you have it. So that's how easy it is. We can highlight our active columns with the help of our AppScript and ChatGPT here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.